Hello everybody, good afternoon. It's Wednesday, December 16th. It's 5:19 p.m. and I'm highly encouraging you to please watch this video to the very end because we didn't get as far as we wanted to during math class. So we want to give you some more tips that'll help you with not just today's ratio work, but also to help you with the ratio work that we will be doing the rest of this unit. And you also have a milestone task in January. And we also want to prepare you for 7th grade, 8th grade math. So please, highly encourage you, watch this video to the very end. It'll help you out and it'll get you stronger with math, okay? So what we're gonna do in this video today is we're going to take a look at some ways to solve ratio problems. Okay, we're going to take a look at tape diagrams. We're going to look at tables. These were two things that we did not really get to in class this Wednesday morning. So definitely stick around for this entire video, okay? And then just to give people who might have missed what happened earlier this morning, we're going to show you well, first of all, this lesson was called "Ooh, I Love These Orange Sodas." So what we're gonna do is take a look at two examples of orange soda drinks, okay? Where you combine orange juice, like here, and you combine carbonated water, or you can say clear soda, okay? So there's one drink right now, a little bit of orange, but a lot of soda water or carbonated soda. Now throughout this video, I will just be mentioning it as soda. Orange plus soda equals orange soda. So I'm just gonna call the clear thing soda, all right? Here's another different drink. This time a lot more orange juice and just a little bit of soda. So we looked at that earlier. But now we're going to take a deeper dive into understanding the problems we were talking about today. And again, I hope this video helps you out as we continue to do more of this work when we come back in January. So here we go. So what we're going to do as one of the first strategy we're going to look at is the strategy called tape diagrams. Basically, tape diagrams are just pieces of tape, and you're actually very familiar with drawing pieces of tape because you've done it quite a bit, not just this school year, but you've probably done so in the past. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to draw for drink A 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 parts. So I'm going to draw a rectangle and I'm going to divide it into 9 parts. So I am using this graph paper to help me out. And you'll notice that I'm using the lines to help me, okay? So again, I need to cut this into 9 equal parts. So, and I'm hoping I did this correctly here. This is one of the benefits of graph paper here. Let's see if this is 9 parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Whoop, I gotta do one more. Okay, that's easy. Okay, here's my 9 parts. Graph paper is an amazing tool, okay? Now, since 2 parts of this is orange, what I'm going to do is color 2 parts orange. Here's 1 part orange and 2 parts orange, okay? And the rest of this is clear soda. All right, this is drink A. Now we're going to go ahead and draw drink B. Drink B is 1/4 orange, 1/4 orange. So now, if we're really going to compare this equally, I'm going to make sure that this rectangle is the same size as the rectangle in A. So here I am again with my equal size rectangle, and I'm going to do my best to cut this into 4 equal parts. I hope I'm doing this okay. Here's 2 parts, and now I'm going to try to cut this in half, maybe around here. Yeah, okay, there we go. Here we go. Okay, and I want 1/4 to be orange, so it's 1 out of 4 that is orange. And so here it is. I'm coloring 1 out of 4, and this is 1/4. Okay, so this is 1/4, and this is 2 out of 9, which is 2 orange and 9 total. 2 orange and 9 total. Now we're going to take a look at drink C, and I'm going to draw the tape diagram for that as well. So in the tape diagram for this, again, rectangle must be the same size as the other rectangles. And now I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total pieces. 5 total. Okay, cutting into 5s is a little tougher, but I'm going to try my best here. This is a little bit harder. Okay. Okay. So, it's probably not as accurate, but this is still really good for the comparison. So, 1 out of 5 is orange. And in fact, if we think about this as well, we can think about this as 1 part orange and 4 parts soda. 1 part orange, 4 parts soda. Okay, now we're going to take a look at this question, which is slightly different from the questions we asked earlier this morning. The question here, though, says which tastes more orangey. So we're actually going to take a look at all 3 drinks, and we want you all to decide which of these 3 drinks is more orangey than the other. When we say orangey, we're talking about the drink that has the most orange flavor. Okay, so which one's going to taste more like an orange, more of that orange flavor? Okay, now you can see right here that drink B goes from here all the way to here in terms of orange flavor. And so this orange part is bigger than A, and it's bigger than C. So this one is going to taste more orangey because this part is a bigger piece of orange. So B is the most orangey drink. This one's going to taste more like orange. Now, if we look at drink A and C and try to compare those two, we can see here that A's orange section is slightly bigger than C. In fact, if you draw this line right here to kind of compare the two, you can see that A is slightly longer than C. A has a little more orange than C. So this one's second place, and this one is the least orangey drink. Okay? B, most orangey. C, least orangey. Drink A is second. Okay? This is the tape diagram way of comparing ratios. Okay? Speaking of ratios, you might decide that the ratios look like the following. Okay? Now there's 2 different ways to write ratios here, but if you were to compare the orange to the soda, you might say that in drink A, there's 2 parts orange and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts soda. So this is 2 for every 7. And then for letter B, in terms of orange and soda, you might say, oh hey, there's 1 part orange for every 1, 2, 3 soda. Notice that I used the tape diagram to help me with that ratio. And then for letter C, there's 1 orange to 1, 2, 3, 4 parts soda. So 2 for every 7, 1 orange for every 3 soda, 1 orange for every 4 soda. Okay? So now we're going to take a look at one final way to solve ratio problems. We're going to look at tables. Okay? So this is exciting because for many students, this may be your first time, not your first time doing tables, but maybe your first time actually comparing tables, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're going to have 3 different tables. We're going to have one table for A, one table for drink B, and one table for drink C. And what we're going to do is I'm going to draw a vertical table going from top to bottom. Now, if you might have seen in elementary school T-charts. T-charts are the same thing as tables, okay? So now if I wanted to, well, one thing to keep in mind when you're doing tables is you want to label it. So here, I could put orange, and I could put clear soda here. Okay, orange, clear soda here, orange, clear soda here. Now, if I really wanted to, I could have done orange in total, or I could have done soda in total. Okay, any of these 2 tables can work as well, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter which categories you choose. I just happen to choose orange as a category and soda as a category. All right, let's keep on going. Okay, so for letter A, what do we know? We know that for every 2 orange, there's those words for every again. For every 2 orange, there is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 soda. 2 orange to 7 soda. We know that for drink B, if you go back to that last picture, for drink B, it's 1 orange to 3 soda. 1 orange to 3 soda. Just make sure 1 orange and 3 soda. Okay, cool. Now for drink C, it is 1 orange for every 1, 2, 3, 4 soda. Okay? Now we're going to compare. We're going to compare and see which drink is the most orangey, okay? Now, what if we just said that drink A is the most orangey because there are 2 oranges, and the others have 1. What if we said that? Oh, sorry, and the others have 1. What if we said that? Would we be correct? So let me read this again. Drink A is the most orangey because there are 2 oranges and the other drinks have just 1 orange. I am sorry for the writing. It's super hard to write with this for some reason. Am I correct to say that drink A is the most orangey? Well, no, I'm not correct because we said A was 2nd place. Okay, so there's a little more to this than just looking at the numbers. Okay, but here's the problem with doing this. We can't just say, oh hey, 2 orange is bigger than 1 orange. Okay, so wait a minute, so A is the most orangey. We can't do that. We also have to look at the soda. Okay, we also have to look at the soda. Alright, so how do we do this problem with tables? Well, let me change my color here, and I want to show a very valuable point. Okay, watch this. We know that for drink B, it is 1 orange for every 3 soda. Okay, so I'm going to do the following. Let's pretend we're going to make more of drink B. I want more of this drink. So watch this. I want to make some more of drink B. So what I'm going to do to make more of this drink is I'm going to add 1 orange. Okay, I still want to make more of this same orange drink. So what am I going to add here? What am I going to add here? Well, what's the rule for drink B? The rule is 1 orange. For every 1 orange, you gotta put 3 soda. So, go to the purple part. For every 1 orange, I gotta add 3 soda. That's the rules, okay? Otherwise, the drink's gonna taste different. So, after doing all that work, now I have 2 orange and 6 soda. Okay? I'm going to stop here. Even though I can keep on going on, and I can keep adding 3 and 1 and so on. I could keep on going if I want to, but I'm gonna stop here, and I'll tell you why coming soon, okay? I'm gonna do the same thing over here. All right, drink C. What do we know about drink C? We know that it's 1 orange for every 4 soda. One orange for every 4 soda. So if I want to make this more, I want to make more of the same drink, I'm going to add 1 orange for every 4 soda. Alright, let's do some math on this part here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 4 plus 4 is 8. And if I want to, I can keep on going and going and going. But I'm going to stop here. And you might be wondering, wait, why are you going to stop? Watch this. So, I'm going to circle this part, this ratio right here, this ratio right here, this ratio right here. And remember, we just said this is wrong. Okay. Now what? I hope I not. First of all, I hope I have enough space. But now what? I want you to look at this and compare it to this and compare it to this. Okay? Which drink is going to taste the most orangey? Is it 2 orange to 7 soda? 2 orange to 6 soda? Or 2 orange to 8 soda? Which one is going to taste the most orangey? So this is the question right here. The answer is going to be drink B. Drink B is going to taste the most orangey. But why? Why is this one going to taste more like orange? Okay? Well, it's all about looking at the soda for this part, okay? Okay, so look at this. This has 2 orange, this has 2 orange, and this has 2 orange. But the soda is different. The soda's different. This one has the least amount of soda. So this is going to taste more orangey. Okay? This one has the most soda. It has 8, but these are less. It's only 7 and 6. This one has more soda. And because drink C has more soda than the others, that means this is going to taste more like clear soda and less like orange. So drink C is the least orangey. I hope that is making sense, okay? And this one has a 7, which is in the middle of 6 and 8. So this becomes our second place. It's in the middle, okay? So, what did we just realize? Hopefully you all realize that if you do the table way, you want to make sure one of these numbers is the same, okay? And in this case, I circled this, and this because the 2's are the same, okay? So, whenever we're comparing 2 ratios, try to make some of the numbers the same. and then you can make an accurate comparison. Okay? All right. To summarize everything that I talked about with tables, this is what I wrote down, and I hope this helps you out. It says here, first, I drew tables for all three drinks. Drink A, drink B, and drink C. I circled ratios like this, and like this. I circled ratios that have the same number in one column. For example, I circled 2 for every 7, 2 for every 6, and 2 for every 8 because they all have 2 oranges. Drink B is the most orangey because it has the least amount of soda. Only 6 soda for every 2 orange. But drink C is the least orangey because it has the most amount of soda. 8 soda for every 2 orange. And then drink A is in the middle of drink B and C. So I hope that written explanation helps. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. It's only going to help you strengthen your knowledge around ratios, especially when we do more problems in January, and especially when you do more problems in 7th grade and 8th grade, and so on. All right? Thank you so much for taking this time, and we just want to appreciate all of you for all your hard work this semester. It's been a pleasure teaching you. Take care. Have some good rest as well. And we'll see you in January. And just make sure you take care of this assignment that is due on Monday. Take care. Have a wonderful day and night and break. Bye.